How to make a section smaller in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make a section a little bit smaller for the aesthetic look. So we're going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to see the dashboard or the account dashboard just like this. In just a few seconds, you're going to see it. So here we have it. Now what we're going to do is to select our website. Click on go to website just like that. From here, what we're going to do is going to be very simple. We're going to head over here and we are going to click on pages on the left side of the screen. Select the page that we want to implement the modification of the section to. For example, as you can see here, we have only two pages. I'm going to select only this one that we have here. We're going to click on the button of edit. So here we are going to open up the website editor. So I'm going to head over a specific space that we want to add a section. So I'm not going basically here to click or select this section, but I'm going to add a new section. So depending on the type of the section that you're going to add or you are going to implement the modification on, you're going to be obliged to select a section. So what I am going to do is going to be very simple. I am going to select a maybe not a blank section or a section like this. So I'm going to do that in a section which is going to be like that. Now, as you can see, this section has two compartments. The left one, as you can see, is going to have some text. Here we have introduction, here we have text, and here we have button. The right side is going to have a full frame image. Now, if you're going to focus a little bit at the end of the section, we're going to have this a little bit of the line with the two arrows and also some lining or let's say intro lines. So this is going to let you increase or decrease the section volume or make it smaller or larger. So you're going to select the whole section and have this. Unfortunately here, I cannot make my section smaller. Why? Because the image is getting all the way at the end of the section, from the beginning till the end. What I am going to do is to reset or put the introduction up top. The text is here and the button, I am going to put it here. So now for the image, I'm going to head over here or click on it to select it. And I'm going to make it smaller. Like this, I think is better. Now what I am going to do is to click again on the section and I'm going to put or press this button and you're going to see the grid is appearing when you are going to press. If you're going to let the button, it is going to disappear. Now it is going to show me the space where I can make that specific section smaller or larger. So as you can see, I can go ahead and make it smaller. So here we have it. Now I can go ahead and make also the image a little bit smaller and gain a little bit of a space here. So as you can see, this is a complete section. We have made this section from bigger to the smaller version. I'm going to do a comparison by adding the same, as you can see, section, and you're going to capture the difference. So this is the new section or the smaller one. This is the old one. So this is smaller, this is bigger. So here you have it. All you need to do is to move the image or the element that is blocking this grid to move on or move back. So you can go ahead and make this section smaller. So for this section, as you can see, it is not going to be a simple section, but it is going to be a special section, which is going to be named work. And this is going to be a very specific type of sections. Basically, we cannot modify those until we're going to remove some elements or click on manage projects and we can go ahead and head over here and start deleting the things. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.